wow, look, the shadow looks like
They
people.
have the money, they get the most
Look, the big
amount
one.
of
Look, 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 look. Whoa! Oh, I think I got that.
I think it's a star.
Whoa! Oh!
You got it
Oh,
right?
you can see it on the camera. Yeah. This looks like blurs on here. Those can you zoom? No. Wait. If you turn it off, you can zoom in.
Receive the most fantastic, magical place from now.
You can hardly zoom. This is as far as it goes. Is that it? No. Bigger. Here we go. Whoa, usually the smaller ones from far away look pretty big. Oh wow, that one's pretty big. It looks like it's coming at you.
I keep asking him and he doesn't want to. They're not loud or anything. You want to open
Whoa! Wow! I'm getting all of this. That looks pretty cool. Whoa!
I wish for your freedom.
Why are the waves picking up? That means something big is coming. It wasn't like this when the boat was leaving.
Anything is possible.
I have no idea. Hey, maybe it's the genie. Remember?
Genie, I wish. Or princess.
Wow. Those are big. Well, maybe not on the camera, but whoa! It looks like earrings in a necklace. Boom, boom, boom. Man, they must have like thousands. But that's only Magic Kingdom. Whoa, that one's coming really close. Whoa! You see that? Is that it?
Maybe not.
What was that?
It's usually comes from the box.
Wow. Oh, wow. It looks like flowers. Looks like birdies. True. Whoa, see what are Is this done purposely? What with the current? The waves! The currents are going crazy. This is probably done purposely because this is a handmade river. Oh, yeah. Connects to all the Disney.
Whoa.
Wow, that one's cool. Whoa, it looks like magic. It's a Magic Kingdom. Whoa. Whoa, it looks like we're moving.
Nikki, you want my jacket? Sure.
It feels like I'm moving. You know, this records sound. I know, but look. The island's moving. Whoa, we're upside down hearts. That better not be it.
They loaded them upside down.
Is that all? I hope there's more. No, there's more. See all the
The next step to the map, Spaceship 3. When you
Wow. Wow. And which part star goes up.
and the most unexpected.
I know, but you can, it's weird because. Aw, it was like a hurt. Wow. Whoa, that must have been a fast.
Christian. Everybody on, you guys scared? Jeez, Christian. You gotta ask why, dude.
Look. Oh, wow. Why am I videoing this? It's already gone for 6 minutes already. I'm going crazy. Wow, that was cool.
You're gonna break the net.
Oh, that's better.